the Philippines, do hereby solemnly swear and affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance, obey, support, and defend the Constitution and bylaws of PICA, the Philippine Constitution, the Criminology Professional Regulatory Law, the laws of the land, the programs, policies, and principles of PICA, and the Criminologist Code of Ethics and Professional Conduct. That I wholeheartedly accept these obligations. I will faithfully and conscientiously perform my responsibilities as a member of PICA. And that I impose these obligations upon myself in the free exercise of my volition, voluntarily, without mental reservation. So help me God. Can you put your hands down? Pursuant to the provisions of RA 11131, the Philippine Criminology Profession Act of 2018, and in accordance with the issuances of the Professional Regulation Commission and the Professional Regulatory Board of Criminology, in accordance with the provisions of the Constitution and bylaws of PICA, I, as your National President, do hereby proclaim you as regular members of the association. Mabuhay ang Filipino Criminology!